Wait. Oh, hello. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Let's just go with world, okay? Have you ever wanted to be a dog when you were little? Well, I know a person that really wants to be a dog, so let's just look at what she does, okay?
I want to go on a walk.
You can't.
Take me on a walk.
You're not a dog.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Whatever, I'm just going to go eat my bone.
Looks like you're smoking a cigarette. There you go.
Vanilla.
What?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
And some dog food.
On an awesome plate. Gosh, this is so wrong. Who eats... You should not eat food on the floor. Seriously, you're not a dog.
I'm a dog, okay? So
No,
shut it.
No, I don't want to shut it, okay?
Yeah.
You're not a dog.
What you looking at, fool?
I'm not the fool. I'm not the one that's eating dog food on the floor. You're not a dog.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm done with it. Still.
Okay. Okay, are you done?
Are you gonna walk me?
No.
How about, I'm not feeling so good.
Oh, gosh. Oh. Okay, this is gross. We're just gonna walk away now. Well, do not eat dog food, because that is what's gonna happen.
I don't want to be a dog anymore.
Yeah, I told you. Should not be a dog.
Yeah.
Being a dog is just wrong. Dogs are dogs and people are people. Okay?
Okay.
Now, peace out, people.